How to verify your age on Roblox without ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you on how you can verify your age on Roblox without an ID. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to verify your age on Roblox without an ID, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch your Roblox app here. Then once you launch your Roblox application, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to tap the three dots icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen, and then you want to simply go to the option called settings. Once you go to the option called settings, at the very top you'll find an option where it says account info. You want to make sure to tap on it. When you tap the account info button over here, on the next page you're going to see this type of interface where you'll have an option called verify my age. Now when I tap on verify my age, normally what it tells me is that I need to have a government issued ID, which is a valid ID. Could be a driver's license, passport, state ID card, or residence permit. That would make me at least over 13 years of age, and then only I'll be able to verify my age on Roblox. So the main question is whether or not you can really verify your age in Roblox without ID. Well, the short answer is actually no, because that's why it is called verification. If it can verify you without an ID, why is it called verification? That's the point of all of it. It is trying to verify you so that they know that you are a real person and an authentic person who is trying to play a game on their platform. So I hope this video helped you understand a question as to how you can go ahead and verify your age on Roblox without ID. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.